Very good evening, Sunita. Very good evening. I hope you are doing good. सर जितने आप सेटा प्ले करती ना मु भाभी माने केमिति मो वॉइस को बर्दाश्त करछोनी मु तो नीचे बर्दाश्त करि पारुनी सर सूर्य सर को कहबे टिके आनी देबे शीट गुड इवनिंग स्वप्ना सुनीता very good evening how many of you appeared the test 2 3 टेस्ट appear करथिले तारे absent काहे किथिले last class रे why you all were absent this whole group Tuesday ओके बुझी हबो आपन को बुझी हबो बाकी दी जण सर मैम मने पकोचंती सर कोन थिला मैम हाँ सेही क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट क्लास कहीं आसी नथिले ओके सर व्हाट इज योर एक्सक्यूज ओके आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू आर एक्सक्यूजिंग आई एम आस्किंग हिज एक्सक्यूज रिलेटिव आसले एटा गोटे भलो एक्सक्यूज टा रिलेटिव आसले जे आपण कोन करथिले सर गेस्ट होस्ट सर कोन कहले सर सुनीता कुमुदिनी वेरी गुड इवनिंग थैंक यू गोटे साइड सेमती भी तो एटा गोटे साइड रे क्वेश्चन देखु इंग्लिश वाला भी देखु अच्छा नहीं ठीक अछि किछ असुविधा नहीं अपन एथरे आंसर शीट बाहर कर देबे कि ना देखी हबो ना देखी हबो तो ठीक अछि सर ठीक अछि थैंक यू वेरी गुड इवनिंग कुमुदिनी ओके सो अच्छा क्वेश्चन अपियर कला बेलू को केमिति लागिला आपण मानकू एपियंस यू आल्सो कमेंट एंड क्लासेस आई वांट टू नो was it easy was it difficult कोटा क्वेश्चन अटकी गलो ना केतेरा क्वेश्चन लागिला अच्छा एटा तो हमें करिचु बट किछि जिंस बुझी हो नाही हम्म confusing new okay so that is why for prelims only reading is not enough you have to do questions and more questions right जिते हबो सेति की अधिका टेस्ट अपियर करिया को पड़िबो टेस्ट अपियर करंतु डरिबा दरकार नहीं ठीक अछि न पडिछ जदी मार्क कम आसीबा तो किछि हबो नै राइट एटलीस्ट यू विल एक्सपीरियंस आ जदी आपण भाबिबे ना कि ए टेस्ट हम परे कर देबी आराम से पेपर तो मते मिले जीवो से परे केबे आसीबो नै so appear the test whatever may be the reason whatever may be the situation try करंतु टेस्ट अपियर करिया ओके क्लासेस एंड appearance टिके डिफिकल्ट लागिला ऑप्शन सी कंफ्यूजिंग लागिला ओके ऑप्शन सबले कंफ्यूजिंग लागिवो आपण माने जदि आगरु भी प्रीलिम्स देइतिबे किबा आउ भी कोनोसी एग्जाम देइतिबे देखितिबे दीटा ऑप्शन स्ट्रेट आपण एलिमिनेट कर देबे आउ दीटा ऑप्शन रे सबले कंफ्यूजन रहिबो आउ सेटा ही हला हमो मेन हर्डल राइट तो जेते हबो अधिकार अधिक क्वेश्चन करंतु दैट इज द ओनली सॉल्यूशन टू क्लियर द प्रीलिम्स along with the chapters चलो स्टार्ट करिवा First question, consider the following statements with respect to the Lucknow session. Are, anyone please help me? हाँ, go to Hubbo bag. Okay, got it. Thank you. ମୁଁ शायद भूल लोकଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରି ଦେଲି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ବି ନିଜେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ଥିଲେ ନା କ୍ଲିୟର ଥିଲେ ओके ठीक अच्छे थैंक यू हाँ सो लखनऊ सेशन 1916 राइट लखनऊ सेशन आम पढ़ीचु एबे रिसेंटली ही पढ़ीचु it was presided over by the moderate leader A.C. Majumdar. Lucknow Pact was signed between Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Muslim League were granted fixed proportion of seats in the legislature at all India provincial level. तो तीनटा भितर को गोटा स्टेटमेंट स्ट्रेट लगुच कि राइट है वन क्लियर आरसी मजुमदार ओके क्लास एपियंस प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट कहतु को गोटा स्टेटमेंट लगुच स्ट्रेट व्हाट अबाउट द सेकंड वन रॉन्ग लगुच आमे पढ़ीछु it was a pact between moderates and extremists as well as INC and Muslim League. So INC को represent करिले मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना and Muslim League को represent करिले मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना and INC को represent करिले बाल गंगाधर तिलक. So this statement is also correct. Muslim League were granted fixed proportion of seats in the legislature at all India provincial level. आमे डिस्कशन करछु जो कंडीशन हेतिला सेमाने एक्सेप्ट करथिले तांकर जो कम्युनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन थिला इनिशियली आईएनसी ताको अपोज करथिला बट आफ्टर दिस पैक्ट दे अग्रीड फॉर दैट राइट so they agreed for that that means this situation is correct so answer will be yes see all three appians please participate Consider the following statements with respect to Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act 1919. Completely nua lagu chhe. Yes, Rowlatt Act. पढ़ीचु आमे? Yes. Voice काहे कि एते slow रहउचे? Please participate. Okay? Yes, Sunita, correct. So, Anarchical Revolutionary Crime Act 1919 आमे पढ़ीचु. It was against anarchical rule and the revolutionary activities. Right? All the elected members of the Central Legislative Council opposed it. It was the extension of the Defense of India Regulation Act 1915. Gandhiji launched his first mass strike against this act. So, Kogota statement laguchi clearly correct ochi. Third, clearly correct ochi, okay? Out the confusion ochi. So, this is also correct. Defense of India Regulation Act 1915 asthila. तारो ही ताकू ही काउ किछि ऐड करी कि ए एकटा अणागला and all the elected members of the Central Legislative Council opposed it. It is not correct. Kette लोक थिले who were the yes men of British people. Kette parties थिले who were actually working on behalf of British people. But some of them participated. Okay. अच्छा इथिरे केतेटा आंसर रॉन्ग अछि मु गोटे जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनिट मु गोटे पेपर रे बनैतिली इथिरे बहुत सारा आंसर रॉन्ग अछि मु सेटा मार्क करतिली आई जस्ट गेट दैट Appians, I'm coming within a minute. ଆଚ୍ଛା କିଛି ଗୁଡ଼ା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ପଲିଟିରୁ ବି ଆସିଛି, କିଛି ଗୁଡ଼ା ଜୋଗ୍ରାଫିରୁ ବି ଆସିଛି, କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ବି ଆସିଛି, environment current affairs, environment related current affairs. Appearance, is the screen visible to you? Appearance, is the screen visible to you? Appearance, am I visible to you? Is the screen visible to you? Now, ebe asuchi screen? I hope ebe screen asuchi. Okay. Thank you, Sunita, Akshay, Swapna. Thank you so much. Hmm. All the elected Indian members of the Imperial Legislative Council. All the elected Indian members only. Not all the elected members. Opposed it. So this statement is incorrect. And what will be the answer? Only two. Option B. What happened? Any discussion, any confusion? With reference to Brahmo Samaj, consider the following statement. It popularized the doctrine that the Vedas are infallible. Infallible means, yes, infallible means they cannot be mistaken. The agenda was to purify Hinduism based on monotheism. It denied the need for a priestly class for interpreting the religious text. Koda laguchi correct ochi. Last data correct ochi. Okay, and what about this one? Which one? Vedas. Okay, go back to Vedas. And about this purifying Hinduism, Shuddhi movement. Monotheism to thila. What about the purifying of Hinduism? Arya Samaj. Then this is correct. Purifying not only means the conversion, but also removing the wrong things, removing the bad things. Thila Brahmo Samajre, clearly. Right? Eta to darkari nai discussion, it is correct. And doctrine of Veda. They believed on doctrine of Veda. Yes, it is correct. Just a minute. Yes, it believed on the doctrine of Vedas. कारण Vedas रे जो early Vedas अच्छी सेतिरे जो भी जिनसो mentioned अच्छी like no idol worship, monotheism, everything was respected here. Right, 80 अच्छी option B, but answer should be all the three. All the three answers should be all the three. Veda and Upanishad both. So answer should be all the three. এটা রহিগলা বোধে আই গেস নাম্বার 5 রু করেক্ট করছি ওকে এটা আই থিঙ্ক অপশন 3 হবা কথা এটি অপশন বি লেখা হইছি আই উইল জাস্ট রিমাইন্ড মি ইন দ্য ক্লাস উই উইল হ্যাভ আ ডিসকাশন অন ইট অলসো अगेन ওকে আই থিঙ্ক এটা অপশন সি হবা কথা ওকে নেক্সট কোশ্চেন মার্ক দিস কোশ্চেন এই কোশ্চেনটা মার্ক করে কি রাখো Question number 4. For which of the following historical personalities the phrase lightning conductor has been used by the early Congress leaders? Early Congress leaders, Ripon, Hume, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji. No idea? So answer is A.O. Hume. See, ଯେତେବେଳେ A.O. Hume establish କରିଥିଲେ INC, so जो moderate leaders ଥିଲେ, Uh, 2 and 3 is correct, Sunita, but we are confused about one, option 1. So we will discuss it in the next class. Akshay, Swapna, Sunita, okay? हाँ, so जितेले AO Hume INC form करतिले, though he was a British officer, still he was working something, a platform, पूरा all over India को गोटे platform रे आने पाई, he framed a platform, right? So that is why these early people who were in Congress at that time, they called him the lightning conductor, A.O. Hume. And you can note down the people who called him the lightning conductor, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He brought this theory of lightning conductor for A.O. Hume. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He helped found the new English school in Pune. It is correct. He established a new school in Pune. It was the name of it was Ferguson. Second statement, initiated a no tax campaign of the peasant from from Maharashtra. According to this, it is wrong, but actually it is correct. Famine time re se peasant mananko sito misiki no tax campaign start karthile. So this statement is also correct. He authored a book Orient dealing with the original home of the Aryans, and this statement is clearly correct. So answer will be all the three. Answer sheet anusare achi option B only two, but answer will be option C, all the three. Any confusion? If there is a confusion, ask me directly. Answer sheet रे B दिए by mistake ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ହଁ ଓ ହଁ ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ହିଁ ମାର୍କ୍ସ ମିଳିଯିବ ଏଇ ଆନ୍ସର ସିଟ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ମାର୍କ୍ସ ମିଳିଯିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମାର୍କ୍ସ ଡଜଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର अल्टीमेटली ए मिस्टेक टा नेक्स्ट टाइम न हो बस सेतिकी मने रखियार अछि हां ए मार्क्स थोड़ी ना किछि ये हबो so don't think and don't discuss about the marks now okay let's discuss about the concept which is clear yes Sunita clear correct safety valve theory yes very good so Gopal Krishna Gokhale when safety valve theory came he denied it and at the time he called Hume as the lightning conductor next आंसर शीट आपको मिली नथिबो ना मिली जाइछि मिली जाइछि देखिचंती सेही पई कंफ्यूजन अधिका होछि consider the following statement about the formation of INC the first session of INC Congress took place in Gowalia Tunk Maidan in Bombay is it correct kintu location was different it was in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, so it is wrong. Kadambini Ganguly was the first female to address the Congress session. It is correct. But आमे तो पढ़ीचु Annie Besant was the first. Yes, you are correct. So ये president नथिले ये सिर्फ address करथिले कांग्रेस को कांग्रेस रो फीमेल हिसाब रे गोटे फीमेल वॉइस हिसाब रे से address करथिले 1890 रे सो दैट जो कॉमन लोकों को पाखरे गोटे मेसेज जीवो कि कांग्रेस वुमेन मानो को वॉइस को भी रेज करछि वुमेन मानो को कर्स को भी रेज करछि से मेसेज जीवो सेही पई स्पेशली तांको चार्ज दिया जाइतिला टू एड्रेस द कांग्रेस एंड हियर द प्रेसिडेंट वाज फिरोज शाह मेहता वेरी गुड स्वप्ना so answer will be B correct no both are not incorrect the two is correct sunita option 2 is correct एटी लेखा हैनी कि से प्रेसिडेंट थिले एटी लेखा है से एड्रेस करथिले स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती he regarded the Vedas as infallible but opposed idolatry ritual and priesthood okay 7 number the next statement is he started a gurukul near Haridwar first statement right ochi wrong ochi right ochi we have read that good he started a gurukul near Haridwar to propagate more traditional ideas of education wrong right wrong confused okay Arya Samaj's objective was to prevent the conversion of Hindus, which became a contributory factor in the growth of communalism. Clearly, right, Oji, Shuddhi movement they started. First and third, right, Oji, secondary confusion, Oji. 7 एहा अनुसारे अछि option B but it is wrong option C is correct all the three कारण एठी जो गुरुकुल अछि हरिद्वार रे सेटा स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती स्टार्ट कर नथिले स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती को गोटे फॉलोअर स्वामी श्रद्धानंद स्टार्ट करथिले हां एटा okay yes correct only two so it was established by Swami Shraddhanand, a follower of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. And that Gurukul was named as Kangri University. Yes, statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 2 is incorrect, Akshay. Next. Question number 8. With reference to the Rehnumai Mazdiasan, okay, Sabha consider the following statement. It was started by SS Bengali and Nauroji Fardonji in 1851. He fought for women education and their social status. Completely new. right? It is, or both the statements are correct. Option C. It was a Parsi reform movement. For the reform of Parsi community, they started this movement. Social reform movement amaro heini na, social religious reform movement. ଅଧା ପିଲା କରିଥିବେ ଅଧା ପିଲା କରିନଥିବେ I guess. କିଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ନଥିଲେ। ଓକେ। ସେଟା ତ ହବ, ବାକି ଅଧା କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉମାନେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ରିଫର୍ମ ବାଲା ଜାଣି ପାରୁଥିବେ। Appians ଆପଣ ମାନେ କିଏ କରିଛ social religious reform movements? So it was basically a Parsi reform movement for the improvement of community, for the reforms in Parsi community. Indian Association, again an organization from socio reform movement and the movement, the movement. So Indian Association, Surendranath Banerjee, number 9. Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose was founded the Indian Association. There was no membership fee for the Indian Association. The membership was open only to the residents of Bengal. So, tell me. Acha, let's start with the last one. न पढ़ी भी जदि कौन लगुच लास्ट वन खाली बेंगली मान डेफिनेटली केबे भी नथिबो, so it will be wrong. There was no membership fee for the Indian Association to make a mass organization. Correct laguchi, but it is incorrect. There was a fee, but it was minimum fee. Minimum fee. And only option 1 is correct. Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose started this. So only the first statement is correct. Only one option A. Option A. Yes. Next. Question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 कौन थिला? Both are correct. Both are correct. Option number C. Both are correct. Civil disobedience movement. आमे जाइनु एबे पर्यंत. Right? But let's do it. So, owing to physical constraints in making salt, a Chaukidari tax agitation was organized in Assam. A strike against banning students' participation in politics was seen in Bihar. So, it is actually reverse. बिहार रे सॉरी जो स्टूडेंट मानन को पार्टिसिपेशन पॉलिटिक्स रे बैन कर दिया जाइतिला असम रे, ता अगेंस्ट रे असम रो स्टूडेंट माने एजिटेशन करतिले एंड जो सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह जेतेले चालितिला बिहार रे से माने स्टार्ट कर दली चौकीदारी टैक्स. चौकीदारी माने जबरदस्ती गोटे ऑफिसर अपॉइंट होबो चौकीदारी करबा पई एज अ नाइट वॉचमैन आ ता पई लोक टैक्स देबा पई बाध्य. You want or you don't want, तुमको टैक्स देवा को पड़िबो. You don't want, you have to avail the service. Okay, so it is reverse and answer will be D, neither one nor two. Next, number 11. Bombay Presidency Association. Question number 11. Question 11. Okay, question number 11. So, Bombay Presidency Association. जो टॉप बिजनेसमैन थिले बॉम्बे रो 7 बिजनेसमैन से माने मिसिकी ए एसोसिएशन स्टार्ट करथिले बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी एसोसिएशन एंड महादेव गोविंद रानाडे, Chetty and Badruddin Tayyabji. Badruddin Tayyabji was a member along with some other people. Yes, Feroz Shah Mehta and Kashinath Telang. So, Badruddin Tayyabji. Option 3. C. Option C. With reference to 20th August 1917. कौन है इधर 20th August 1917 रे? August Declaration. So, which of the following statement is correct? The demand by the nationalists for self-government was made in government policy, handing power to predominantly elected legislatures with a majority. Adoption of Quit India Resolution Declaration was proposed for the independence of India. A. Clearly ସେମାନେ but government policy रे add है ही नहीं declare है कि government policy रे add होगा right so question should be कि was made as a declaration to be added in government policy right बाकी अदर तो किसी नहीं इतरे yes correct Swapna next green hushing environmental question ଆସିଗଲା ଗୋଟେ answer number D it is when firm underreport the strategically withhold information about their environmental goals and achievements ମାନେ environment ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ ନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା whatever impact they are putting on environment ତାକୁ ସେମାନେ ଲୁଚେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଯେତେବେଳେ that is called green washing Bokta rising Bokta is a tribal rising tribal uprising so it was a movement concentrated in Chota Nagpur against landlords number 14 yes Chota Nagpur region again against landlords it aimed at regaining tribal lands which were encroached upon by the landlords all are correct Chota Nagpur is different Chota Nagpur is different sorry act ଏବେ ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି act ଏଟା ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଏଇ ୟା ବିଷୟରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ହେଇଛି ସୋ ସେଇ ଏରିଆରେ ସେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏରିଆରେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଆଗରୁ ବି ହେଇଛି ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଟାଇମରେ ଆଉ ଏବେ ବି ହେଇଛି ବଟ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏବଲ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଆୱେର୍ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦ ଆକ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ଦେଖିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ କହିବି 15 who among the following was the first leader of Indian freedom struggle to ink to link capitalism with imperialism by saying imperialism and militarism are two children of capitalism. First, you tell me what is the difference between these three things imperialism, militarism, and capitalism. What is the difference between these three things? Military rule, as in Pakistan, now in Bangladesh. Yes, king or queen rule. Capitalism? हाँ rule of the capitalist people हाँ business class people ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି କୋଉ country ର example ଆମେ ଦେଇପାରିବା US partially not exactly but କାହିଁକି in one way it is democracy right so but partially we can say but you understood right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai uh, in All India Trade Union Commission he he announced this thing so option D Lala Lajpat Rai Trade Union Conference एटा आमे पढ़िनु राइट एक्ट्स गुड़ा आमे पढ़िनु आपण पढ़िचंती मैम administrative reforms educational reforms tribal movements आपण पढ़िचंती से सब राइट आपण previous class रे पढ़िचंती okay um, this resolution implemented financial decentralization by giving taxation power to the provincial government आ पूर्वरु टैक्स नवा पावर सिर्फ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट रो थिला एई एक पावर दोची आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी मायोस रेजोल्यूशन 1817 सो प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट को भी पावर दोची कि से माने भी किछि नन इंपोर्टेंट जिंस रे टैक्स कलेक्ट करि पारि then it was done improve the utilization of funds devoted to education sanitation medical relief and local public works so एबे एजुकेशन को लिस्ट रे आसुची हमरो concurrent yes. so education sanitation medical relief माने obviously देखो farming हैला industry हैला ट्रेड हैला ए सब रे कोन इनॉर्मस रेवेन्यू आसीबो जोडा रहला सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पाखरे आउ ताकू हैंडल भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट करू एजुकेशन सैनिटेशन मेडिकल रिलीफ पब्लिक वर्क से सब रे आसीबो माइनर टैक्सेशन आउ से सब जोगु ए जिंस गुडा को ही इम्प्रोवाइज करा जिवो सो से माने पैसा रखी कि सेही वर्क सेही फील्ड रे काम करिवे दैट मींस सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट रो किछि टेंशन ही नहीं they are tension free they will just be involved in the important aspects decentralization of taxes एबी अच्छी अच्छी taxes state हाथ रे भी अच्छी केते सारा आमे जीएसटी काउंट जीएसटी आमे स्टेट जीएसटी अलगा दोछु सेंट्रल जीएसटी अलगा दोछु राइट ओके provincial government in Bengal, Madras, Northwestern Province and Punjab passed municipal acts as the result of the resolution. So this act is Mayu's resolution 1870. ଏବେ ଦଉଛୁ ନା ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଟैक्स ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଏତିକି ଆଗ ଟैक्ସ ଥିଲା वेरियस डिफरेंट टैक्स आमे अलगा अलगा सब जिंस रे टैक्स दउतलु एबे कंबाइनली गोटे दउचु जीएसटी right and income tax is separate next is 17 number who among the following spent most of his life in England got elected to the British House of Commons and formed a strong so he was elected as the British House of Commons house re Lok Sabha British Lok Sabha re gote member hisabe se select heitile formed a strong lobby in that house to present the Indian viewpoint in the British authority. So this person was, yes, Dadabhai Naoroji. He was the first Indian to be nominated in that British House of Commons, British Parliament. Jiba pai first Indian se thile, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji को किसी कुहा जाए के? Okay. Number 18. This movement was against the demand of the sharing 2/3 of the crop with jotedars instead of one half. The storm center of this movement was North Bengal. Naru jana puduchi jotedar Bengal re tila and 2/3 actually se mane half revenue doutile. So half jagare they were requesting ki taku 2/3 kar diya jaye. So who was it? तेवागा मूवमेंट ते भागा नारू ही जणा पूछी तीन भाग ते भागा नारू हमें क्लियर है जिबा राइट which of the following is considered to be the major reason for the reluctance of several established leaders of the Indian National Congress to accept Gandhi's resolution of non-cooperation in 1920 boycott of government, school and court, boycott of council of election, opening of Congress membership to all women and men aged 21 years, and reorganizing the provincial Congress committee on a linguistic basis. ଆମେ ପଢିଛୁ ସ୍ୱରାଜ ପାର୍ଟି right so boycott of council election କିଛି ନା କିଛି ତ ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଥିବ ନା ଯୋଉ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ଏତେ ବଡ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆଗକୁ ଯାଇକି ହେଲା Appians participate in the context of colonial India. The Englishmen Bradley, Phillips Pratt, and Lester Hutchinson are remembered as number 20. People who helped in the formation of East India Association in Britain, people who were involved in the formation of Communist Party in India, people who worked in the formulation of the idea of INC, people who were the members of Simon Commission. Answers पूरा घोषित ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କି? Okay. So they were the parts of Communist Party in India. English members. And there were also around 31 members. Next question. Which of the following is correct regarding the civil registration system, which will integrate the technology with the governance? Civil registration system, एबे अच्छी गोटे, and it came during British era also. Okay, so registration of legal civil disputes between individuals or entities by the judiciary, registration of land records by the citizens and ensure transparency, registration of all reported births and deaths in the country. So, civil registration ଅଛି, right? So, civil registration रे birth and death ଆସିବ in this current and the earlier also. केते that population counting रे we calculate na registration of all reported births and deaths. And don't be confused, एटा एबे भी अछि जदि आपण सर्च करिवे एबेकार भी देखैबो एटा the previous government, previous means during British era also. कोमागाटा मारू पढ़िछु आमे पढ़िछु हाँ मैम मने अछि थिले क्लास रे किछि इशू नाही सुनीता এই কোয়েশ্চেনটা যদি নেক্সট টাইম আসিবো নেক্সট টাইম ন ছাড়িয়া কথা বাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফোকাস অন দ্যাট এটা এক্সাম আছে দ্যাটস ইট আউ কিচ্ছি নাই জাস্ট আ মক এক্সাম উই ক্যান সে So in the context of the revolutionary movements during India's freedom struggle, the Shore Committee was formed to fight the legal battle on behalf of the passengers of the ship Komagata Maru. So it was a ship India ru jautila Canada, Japan ru jautila Japan ro ship tila eta jautila Canada Vancouver. सेठी तांको अलाउ करिलेनी फेरी आसिले जेतेबेले ये माने आसिले इंडियन कोस्ट को फायरिंग हैला आउ ब्रिटिश मानको रीजन थिला एक्सक्यूज थिला फायरिंग करिवार कि इतरे बहुत सारा एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स आस्तिले रिवॉल्यूशनरी पीपल आस्तिले सेही पई हमें फायर करिलु and huge population of the common people including children women they all died ta against रे Canada government against रे case चलीथिला and जो case handle कोथिला Shore Committee Canada government against रे कि they are responsible for the killing of these people. Next 23 and 80 good person ro now achi Balwant Singh you can mention Balwant Singh was associated with this Shore Committee who was leading this case. Balwant Singh the Congress Working Committee made it. The Congress Working Committee made Gandhi to initiate the discussions with the Viceroy. As a result, the Gandhi-Irvin Pact was signed. So we know about Round Table Conference, right? तीनटा राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ହେଇଥିଲା फर्स्ट राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस रे किछि लोक पार्टिसिपेट करथिले बट आईएनसी रो के भी पार्टिसिपेट करि नथिले आईएनसी बीइंग द मेजर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द पीपल ब्रिटिश माने भाबिले ए राउंड एंड दैट राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज हेल्ड टू डिस्कस द साइमन कमिशन रिपोर्ट आउ फर्दर जो लॉ आसीबो कोन सेतिरे रहिबो एतिरे जदी आईएनसी रो के मेंबर पार्टिसिपेट करिवेनी तो लोक माने ताको एक्सेप्ट करिवेनी because INC is the major mostly accepted by the people organization. So जेतले से माने देखिले first round table conference के आसिलाने they requested INC and especially Gandhi ji सेतरे आसंतु बोली and it was a kind of compulsion for British also to have at least one INC person especially when Gandhi ji is coming. So nobody will raise voice, nobody will ask questions on the rules and regulations. So that is why say Gandhi ji को request करिले and here Gandhi Irvin pact sign हला जोतरे कि गांधी जी भी सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट रे थिले से टाइम रे तो से ठीक अछि एग्री हे गले कि हमें सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट वापस नै जिवो आ मु राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस रे पार्टिसिपेट करिबे बट ता पई आपण मान को मध्ये किछि करिया को पड़िबो एंड से किछुड़ा कंडीशंस सेटे रखिले गांधी जी so out of all those conditions किछि कंडीशन थिला जोटा कि माने एक्सेप्ट करिले किछि कंडीशन थिला जोटा कि से माने रिजेक्ट करिले and immediate release of all political prisoners none convicted to violence that means जो political prisoners violence रे indulge नहांती सेमानन को मतलब छाड़ी देबे से माने political prisoners को it was correct कारण तांकटु सेमानन को किछि नुकसान भी नहीं was right to make salt in coastal villages for personal consumption especially for personal consumption ताकु से माने बिक्की पारिबे नाही correct withdrawal of emergency ordinance correct public inquiry into police excesses police जदि किछि action नौची किछि harsh action नौची तो ता अगेंस्ट गोटे इंक्वायरी बसु public inquiry एटा भी गांधी जी को डिमांड थिला and it was not accepted so answer is this one ता सहित जो किछि गुडा पॉलिटिकल प्रिजनर्स अछंती सेमानकु भी सेमाने बाहर करिया पई मना कर दिले जो आमे सब बेले डिस्कशन करू कि गांधी जी चाहि दिले भगत सिंह को बंचै पारथांते दिस वाज द रीजन कारण से जदी से तीन जन को भी इंक्लूड करी थांते कि से आउ कहा को भी से बंचै पार न थांते बट एज दे अग्रीड कि ठीक अछि एटलीस्ट किछि माने बंची जानतु जदी मो पाखरे ऑप्शन अछि मु 10 जन को बंचै पारिबी आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई बट जदि मोर पाखरे ऑप्शन अछि कि मु 10 जन को बंचै पारिबिनी बट कम से कम 7 जन को मु बंचै पारिबी तो आई विल डेफिनेटली ऑप्ट फॉर दैट सो दैट वाज द कंडीशन नेक्स्ट 24 what was the purpose for which Satish Chandra Bose and barrister Prannath Mitra habo eta Prannath Mitra set up the Anushilan Samiti in 1902 आंसर तो देखि देथिबो को okay to provide adequate training to its members to fight against the British forces. Others to introduce proper management of Hindu religious institutions, to campaign the entry of Indians into judiciary. Okay. Next 25. ऑप्शन कौन दिया है आंसर कौन दिया है जी आंसर देखी थी ना 25 रो आंसर कौन दिया है जी शीट रे करिनांते शीट रे थबो ना आंसर शीट मिले नहीं अच्छा एटा जो डिस्कशन करे की कहउछन अपन ओके Um, okay, Swapna, correct. Acha, C or C. Okay. So, which of the following commission or committees made the provisions for the development of vernacular languages? Any confusion? 25 number. Yes. So, Hartog Commission, Hartog Committee, 25 option C. Okay, three achi 2 and 3 only. Hartog Committee, ACG Simon Commission, Woods Dispatch ACG 1954. 19, आपको कुआ जाए मैग्ना कार्टा ऑफ इंग्लिश एजुकेशन इन इंडिया सो एटी जेहेतु वर्नाक्युलर लैंग्वेज अछि एटा हबो नाही राइट चार्ल्स वर्नाक्युलर लैंग्वेज मेंशन कराइछि राइट बट एठी ऑप्शन दिया है ऑप्शन सी एंड आई हैव मार्क्ड इट आल्सो